Good evening, friends. My name is Shailendra Kumar Singh. Today, CSIR CGCRI has conducted Junior Secretariat Assistant examinations, um, different shiftings. And today, I have brought the overview of the paper analysis and what is the expected cutoff and what is the paper, which kind of paper they have asked, what is the level of difficulty. Today, I have done analysis after consulting with several students and they have given their opinions. Then after I decided, no, I make one video so that it is helpful for you guys. And it is helpful for that guy who is the got a very good marks and then after they will go for the typing test. Or there are two papers. Paper first was is the mental ability test, and it contains 100 marks, and it is a no negative marks, and it time duration was 90 minutes. If I ask some students, they given the feedback like that reasoning was tough, and it is based on the banking pattern. The guys who has given the several exam based on the banking, it is easy for them. But the students who didn't appear for the banking examinations, yeah, the students who prepare for the SSC examination, they feel quite difficulty because of reasoning is the almost if you see all the questions of the reasoning, it is quite tough. If you see the another parts was aptitude, it also contains 50 questions and according to student feedback, it was moderate, but the question pattern is quite calculative. There are several pattern of the questions was there. First one is that passage of sitting arrangement was there. Passage was around 5 to 6 passage was there, and around 30 question is based on the passage, and it was a sitting arrangement. Second one analysis is that statement and conclusions question was there, around 10 to 50 question was there in the examinations. Like the some question was there, some if you see the patterns of the banking, you can very easily you can understand. Some laptop are books, some books are pen, and some pens are pencil, like that. Such type of patterns is there in the examinations. Another pattern is that like A greater than B, B greater than C. Such type of questions also asked in the that examinations. Syllogism is also there, around 12 questions is based on the syllogism was there. It is no negative markings. So our cutoff is expected cutoff is goes around 70 to 80 out of 200 because of there is no negative. Some student has like they are very good at the banking examination. They perform very well. And so we cannot, and it is also not a no negative marking. So our cutoff, if you see the our cutoff, it is goes around 70 to 80 out of 200, and it is a you can say it is a secure marks. If you are getting 70 to 80 marks, you can feel I am in the comfortable zone. Maybe that you will get the chance because it is a qualifying marks. You have to qualifying this paper, otherwise they will you have to take care of this one. So our maybe expected cutoff is that I am not 100%, but what according to students' view and their analysis, they have said that is around it will go around 70 to 80 out of 200 marks. Second paper analysis is that it contains again two parts is there. One is the general awareness, and second is the English language. Each question contains 3 marks, and if you calculate 50 into 3, it equal to 150 marks. Uh, 50 from general awareness and 50 from English. Total questions is 100, and each question has 3 marks. So 100 into 3, total marks was 300 marks. What is the it contains two kind of GKs there. One is the current affairs, and another is the static GK was there. Uh, if you see the what is the analysis, you again you can say this moderate. If you see easy, moderate, and difficult, you can classify it into the moderate category. And some questions after discussing with the friends, I brought some questions. The question was there, Brahmaputra river is known in Bangladesh as, what is the river? This is the correct option is the Jamuna. One horn rhino is found in, एक सिंग वाला रिनो जो किस स्टेट में पाया जाता है? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज असम. असम जे करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द चेयरमैन ऑफ एनएचआरसी, the chairman of NHRC is Justice Arun Kumar Misra is our and next question, Cotton Day is celebrated in then Cotton Day again celebrated is 7th October. Army Chief of India, next question, Army Chief of India General Major Mukund Naravani is the Army Chief of India. Next question was there in the examinations. Railway launched two long haul freight trains. One is the Trishul, another is a Garuna, and it is also very popular questions. Next question, Valmiki National Park situated. It is used for the tiger reserve. Option is correct. Option is Bihar. Lata Mangeshkar has born in which place? Right option is again Indore. Hockey player of the year, Harmanpreet Singh is the right option. Harmanpreet Singh. And again, next question is the coin switch Kuber on board as brand ambassador. Coin switch Kuber on board as a brand ambassador is Ranveer Singh, who is the husband of Deepika Padukone. One question was also based on the one headquarter based questions, and another questions they didn't remember which questions is there. And another question that one national park this question was also there was there. So this question again they didn't remember quite well, but they say that such type of question was there. If you see second pattern, then again you go, it contains 50 marks, and if you see the level of difficulty, it is also moderate, like the medium you can classify as. It also contains like a passage. Passage was again some synonym and antonyms are has come inside the passage. And if you see the range, what is the synonym of range? But you have to take the passage according to passage. You have to reply what is the exact synonym of that questions. Another antonyms was there in the passage. Flimsy, its correct option was study was also in the options. So if you see the correct option is study, because the study was there. If you see in the para jumbles questions was there are 5 questions inside the paper, para jumbles based on the 5 questions. And another fill in the blanks, if you see again 10 questions was there, fill in the blanks. It is completely based on the grammar. If you grammar also, if you your grammar is quite well and you are, then you can maybe that you can correct very well. And another pattern is a common error questions is also a 5 question was from common error, and sentence correction is also 5 questions. If you see because it is again, if you see student has got very good marks in the GK general awareness, they have performed quite well in the journals, because mostly I found that the student has corrected, they hardly make any mistakes in the general awareness portions. And English, the students who is the preparing for the bank examination, they have also performed quite well. So you can say our expected cutoff in this exam is around 50%. You can say around it will go around 150 plus minus 10. You can consider maybe that 160 also, and maybe the 140. So our expected, if you see for the paper second, our expected cutoff is again go for the 50%. So if you guys, if you score around 50% overall in paper first and paper second, then you are quite a good chance you may get a call for the typing test. If you guess, if you see, then maybe that around 20 for one post as 20, maybe that a 5 total post is 5, then they will call around 100 students, they will call for the typing test. around 1 into 20 moderately they can call for the typing test. If you got another some questions, I will bring another questions with the steno best, and another also some. If you some students we contact some students, they remember some more questions. I will try to bring, and maybe that I will analysis further. If you guys has remember other some questions, I request guys please comment inside the box so that it is helpful for the other candidates. Yeah, for the next future, you can also say. Um, I request guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. I will bring very good information for you guys, and also like and share with your friends. And I will bring some video which is helpful for your careers. So thank you very much for your kind attention.